This is the final guide to solving Vivaldi new tab extensions failing after an update. Having personally encountered this frustrating issue and rigorously testing numerous approaches, I have pinpointed several effective methods to restore your extensions. The core of this problem often lies in corrupted extension data or configuration conflicts that arise during browser updates. Method 1 addresses this by first restarting Vivaldi, a simple yet often effective first step to clear temporary glitches. Clearing the browser cache removes outdated or conflicting files that can interfere with extension operation. Resetting extension settings and then reinstalling the problematic extension ensures a clean slate, as corrupted files are replaced. Checking extension compatibility and disabling others helps isolate the specific extension causing the conflict. Method 2 delves into permissions and flags. Verifying extension permissions ensures the extension has the necessary access to function correctly within the browser environment. Checking extension flags can reveal experimental features or settings that might be misconfigured. Restoring default settings and clearing site data can resolve issues caused by stored website information clashing with extensions. Method 3 focuses on deeper diagnostics. Checking the Vivaldi Task Manager can identify resource-heavy extensions causing instability. Resetting extension data directly targets corrupted files. Inspecting Vivaldi console logs provides technical insights into errors. Method 4 involves profile management. Clearing extension profiles and recreating the Vivaldi user profile are more drastic steps that effectively reset the browser's configuration, eliminating persistent conflicts and ensuring a clean operational base for your extensions to function as intended.